how are you all? I hope you are fine. So children, today our lecture is English, and in English which chapter was going on? Lesson number 1, red sloppy lips. Yes children? So what we have learned in earlier lecture? क्या किया था हमने पहले red sloppy lips में? पहले तो समझाया था, फिर क्या किया था? We have done the hard words and the meanings. Today we are going to write the fill in the blanks. Okay? Yes. So in fill in the blanks, true or false, complete the following and make the sentences. 4 things we are going to do. So first of all, we will write the fill in the blanks. All of you have to copy it on your fair book. Okay? First of all, you see here, then only you have to copy. So number 1, Victor body Victor's body became dash in the cold rain. In the cold rain. Victor's body became dash in the cold rain. What happened to the Victor's body? Yes, it was numb. Everything was not filled. NUMB. Now मैंने आपको numb की मीनिंग समझाया था. क्या है numb का मीनिंग? We can't feel anything. कुछ feel नहीं होता है. Okay. Now we'll go for number 2. The wind began to dash and blew. What happened to the, what was wind doing? कैसा आवाज आ रहा था? Howl. Yes, HOWL. Howl. How was the sound made by wind? Howl. Yes. Now number 3, जोर से आवाज आ रहा था. Yes. Number 3, the house was dash and full of dash and full of dash. Yes. So the house was, how was the house? अच्छा था, beautiful house था? No, it was dirty. The house was dirty and full of cobwebs. COBWEBS. First of all, you have to learn the hard words so you can write it easily. Okay? Now, number 4. A big gust of wind. A big dash of wind blew in the door. Blew in the door. Here we write a big gust of wind. Gust means ज़्यादा. Gust जोर से gust हुआ. Gust of wind blew in the door. So we'll revise this 4 and I will rub it and I'll write the rest of them. Victor's body became dash in the cold rain. Became numb. The wind began to hairy dash. Who was large green hairy? कौन था ऐसा बड़ा large green कलर का? Yes, monster. M-O-N-S-T-E-R, monster. Now number 6. Victor dashed and ran down the hall and ran down the hall. So Victor dashed and ran down the hall. What happened here? He was panicked. P-A-N-I-C-K-E-D. Panic means कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. Yes, now number 7. The frightened boy dash himself into a corner. Tucked. What will be the answer? Tucked. छुपा लिया था ना खुद को कॉर्नर में. Yes. So let's revise again. There was a large green hairy monster. Victor panicked and ran down the hall. The frightened boy tucked himself into a corner. These are the fill in the blanks. 7 fill in the blanks are there. Now we'll write true or false. Yes. All of you have to copy it in your fact book. Okay, children? Here I am writing the true or false now. So, true or false? True or false? F-A-L-S-E. False. So, number 1. The house was clean and beautiful. The house was clean and beautiful. House कैसा था? Clean और beautiful था? It was clean and beautiful. were best friends. Were friends. Friends थे Monster और Victor. Yes, Monster and Victor were friends. No, because Monster was a big monster. वो friend हो सकता है किसी का? नहीं, वो friend नहीं था, पर Victor तो उससे डर रहा था. He was frightened. So your answer will be false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, children. So these were the true or false. Again, we will revise true or false. The house was clean and beautiful. False, because the house was full dirty and full of cobwebs. Now number 2, Victor's body became numb. Victor's body was full of numb. Yes, so it will be true. Monster was green, hairy and with huge red lips. Yes, so the answer will be true. Number 4, Victor and Monster were friends. False. Victor and Monster were friends? No, so the answer will be false. Now we will write, complete the following. All of you have to learn also. Write and learn. Complete the following. Complete the following. So what is the short form of complete the following? C F. Okay. Now number 1. There was a large green and dash. Now you have to complete the sentence. So there was a large green. Who was large and green? Monster. But you have to complete the full sentence. Not only the word. So you have to write green. Then what will come? Hairy, monster, hairy, monster with huge red lips. Huge red lips. Yes. There was a large green hairy monster with huge red lips. Now number 2. Do you know what I do with my red? Now dash. So do you know what I do with my red and dash? So who was telling this? Monster was telling. Do you know what I do with my red? What will come after red? Sloppy lips. S-L-O-P-P-I-T-Y. Sloppy lips. Then what will come? After sloppy lips, and my long green fingers. And my long green fingers. Yes. So what is your monster telling? Do you know what I do with my red floppy lips and my long green fingers? Yes. Now I will write number 3 upwards. Number 3. Victor was riding. Victor was riding his bike. Along. And now we will write dash. Okay. Victor was riding his bike along an old road. Where was Victor riding his bike? An old road. And what happened there? And he lost his way. Yes? Now number 4. Victor body became body. Okay, now dash. So how was Victor's body? क्या हो गया था उसकी body को? Became numb in the cold rain. So became numb in the cold rain. Yes, so these were the CF. Complete the following. Now we will see make sentences. Okay. All of you have to write in your book in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. And you have to learn also. I will ask you in the Zoom lecture. Whenever I will take the Zoom, I will ask you. Okay? You should be prepared for everything. Now make sentences. Make sentence. And all of you have to write on a new page. जहाँ पे fill in the blanks खत्म हुए अगर जगह पड़ी है तो वो पेज छोड़ देना है. दूसरे पेज पे स्टार्ट करके फिर ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके? फिर जगह है छोड़ दो अगर 2-3 लाइन्स ही बचेगी. ओके? Then turn the page and again write the next topic. Okay? All of you have to do like that. Now make sentence. So number 1, jacket. So make the sentence of jacket. Rohan had a red color jacket. Rohan had a red color jacket. To make line here. Rohan had red color jacket. Now I will write number 2. Number 2 is monster. M-O-N-S-T-E-R. Monster. There was a huge monster near the tree. There was a huge monster near the tree. Okay? Here, where is the monster? You have to line it. Okay? So, the word you have made the sentence, you can know it easily. Yes. Now number 3. Number 3 is thunder. Thunder. What is the meaning of thunder? Shivering. ठंड लगती है. Okay. She was shivering from thunder. She was shivering from thunder. from thunder. Yes. So write it here, thunder. Now number 4. What is number 4? Lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. So make the sentence of lips. You can make any of the sentence, not only what I am writing, okay? But it should be meaningful. Monster had huge red floppy lips. Monster had huge red floppy lips. Okay. Now revise it and then I will write the other one. Jacket. Rohan had a red color jacket. Monster. There was a huge monster near the tree. Thunder. She was shivering from thunder. Lips. Monster had huge red sloppy lips. Now we will go for number 5. These sentence, make sentence, the word are given in your textbook also after the question answers. Okay, questions are given, you have to write the answers also, and these are the main sentences. So now number 5 is fear. F-E-A-R. Fear. Fear means डर लगना. Yes, she has fear. She has fear from heights. Fear of heights. Height means ऊंचाई से उसको डर लगता है. Yes, she has fear from heights. Number 6. Now soaking. S-O-A-K-I-N-G. Soaking. Raman was soaking because of rain. Because of rain. Yes, children. So these were the main sentences. Today we have done the fill in the blank.